Oh my goodness, we have a problem. So I just finished episode 5 of um Takopi Original Sin episode 5. That's just reaction review, and of course spoilers. Wow, we are in a big dilemma. So I've always wondered because the first episode was to you 2016, right? And we see Shizuka, Kazuma, and Marichan, all the three main characters when they were young. I always wondered 2016 what does it mean? Meaning we'll see a future version or a young version. And then in this episode it was to you 2022. So 6 years in the future. And now we see the timeline that we see with Shizuka-san, everything in the first 4 episodes of Original Sin is not the original timeline. It looks like Takopi went to the future and no, it was no original timeline. What we saw right now, where Takopi, she's Marichan, Kazuna, so all these three characters there were sick, like in the future when they were like teenagers. This looks like this was the original timeline, and we see Takopi originally encountered Marina-chan, and the whole interaction was still rough and everything, and still looks like I thought like um Shizuka ended herself, but it didn't look like it. She was somehow survived it, and always looks like these three children are somehow connected by fate, even in the other timeline, somehow connected by fate, and this whole thing is now situational messed up, and even in Marina Shan's when she's a teenager, her life is so screwed. And of course, again, because of Shizuka somehow taking the boy again, yeah, the boy here, and this whole thing is screwed. And also, the thing is also with Takopi is he has, how should I explain it? Because he somehow is so innocently, but doesn't understand the context of why stuff like this happens. And now he went to the planet. Also, I've wondered why he didn't remember why he couldn't go back to the planet. And he went to the future. He went to the happy planet, tried to go back in the past, and now with the whole intention of saving Marina-chan, right? Because her whole problem is if Shizuka-san was not alive, this would not have happened. Now his original intention is go back in past and Shizuka-san, but now he remembers Shizuka was the one who in the beginning helped her, also hit this is such a big dilemma. This is so much stuff happening. Also, Takopi reminds me of like the cat of Puella Magmadoza Magica, if you get it. This whole thing is good, but it's like a good episode. Damn. Everything is so convoluted and messed up.